Today's featured car of the day is a sapphire blue 1966 Shelby GT350 Mustang with the Paxton Supercharger on it. And the question of the day will be, is it one of the 11 made by the factory that Shelby factory produced, or is it one of the somewhere between 50 and 100 Supercharger kits that Shelby sold over the counter through his parts catalog up into through 1969? That's the guess from the an estimate that I found of numbers on the internet from the Shelby Club. They figure there was about 50 to 100 of the Paxton Supercharger kits made between 1966 and 1969, and they installed 11 of them on the 66 Shelby GT350s, and then they installed another 35 on the 1967 Shelby GT350s. So it's hard to tell. Either way, no matter how you slice it, this guy is a rare one, especially being the sapphire blue and being potentially one of the 11. It's unlikely, but you never know. Or at least one of the 150, somewhere between 150, 185, whatever it is, less than 200 that were made that actually had the supercharger. It could be a day two install by him. I don't know. I know it does not have the gauges underneath the dash for vacuum and manifold pressure, so those were missing on the car. So that might give you a little idea of what's going on.
Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.